Okay guys, so this is basically what we're working with. I have a mess everywhere. I'm gonna try to clean all of this clutter, everything in the bag, but mainly my desk is a mess. I have so many things there. I have tools, paperwork. So as you guys could tell, I haven't used this desk to do my makeup in a couple months, so it kind of became a working desk. I do have a lot of tools because I do everything by myself. When I have to put something on the walls, I do everything alone. So yeah, this is the before, and the drawers are not that good either. I'll show you guys that later once I start working on the drawers, but there's also a mess there too. So I'm gonna be using this to clean one of these towels, and I only have a couple paper towels because right now everything is sold out because of the virus that is going on. So this is all I have at home, so I'm just gonna have to use this and see how I could clean with these materials. Okay, at first I started removing everything that didn't go here in my desk, like paperwork and other tools and stuff that I had there. So then afterwards I was thinking of start cleaning every item that is there in my desk. And then I was getting a little bit frustrated because there's so much stuff, and I was just thinking this is not gonna work. I think it's better if I remove everything from the desk, put it either in the floor or in my chair, and then I could start cleaning it afterwards and I could put it back. So once I remove all the stuff, now I'm gonna be cleaning the top of the desk. This is actually not a desk, it is from IKEA. There's, I guess you could say, 3 items. So basically the top is a tabletop, and then there's the drawers. So I have 2 of the drawers and I just made it into a desk. But this tabletop, it is smaller, doesn't go all the way to the edges of the drawers, because if I put it in the edges of the drawers, if that makes sense, I cannot put my chair in between. So that's why I have it this way. And I'm just gonna place everything back. So now to the fun part. I'm gonna start throwing away makeup that I either haven't used like in a year or two, or I know that it's already old and expired. I'm gonna start with my lipsticks. Honestly, it kind of hurt to throw away makeup. Such a hoarder that I like to keep it, even though I know I'm not gonna use it, but I like to just not throw everything away. And in this video, you guys are gonna see I threw a lot of makeup away. For the most part, my acrylic drawers are already organized. Basically everything I have on top of my desk is my everyday makeup or essentials that I need. I do have them organized with all my lip liners. One is for just my lipsticks, eyebrow items, and concealers, mascaras. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I actually have 2 vanities. This is for my filming area where I make makeup tutorials, and that's why I have more makeup here. But as you guys could tell, some of the acrylic drawers are a little bit empty, and that's because some of the makeup that I do use regularly is in my other vanity, which is in my room. Okay, moving on to the bottom drawers. You guys are gonna see me that I'm gonna go back and forth with both of the sides that I have here, because I just am moving things around and see where I want them to go. First, I'm just gonna clean the drawers. See, now you guys could see that I'm switching to the other side. So I'm basically gonna put on my right side is gonna be all the palettes that I know that I mainly use, like my basic palettes, you know, neutral colors. And then the most dramatic palettes that I have with colorful colors that I know that I don't use often is gonna go on the left. So some of my drawers are kind of organized already because I haven't used them in a long time, and I did organize them a while back, but they are a little bit dirty, so I just have to clean them. For example, like this one, they're already organized how I want them to be. I'm just gonna check items that I know they're already expired and I need to throw away. And I know my sponges, you guys could see them, they're so dirty. I am gonna wash them separately. I'm not gonna put that in this video because I also have to clean my brushes, but if I was to do this in this video, it will be super long, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is, and then I'm gonna do that later on. But yeah, for the most part, these drawers are already almost organized. I just basically just have to maybe remove some stuff here and there, throw away things that, like these sponges, I throw them away because they just look so bad. If you guys are wondering where are these acrylic organizers from, most of them are from the dollar store. I know. You guys could find them at the dollar store. Some of them are from Marshall's, I believe, or Ross, but most of them are from the dollar store, so go check it out and see if you could find some. So this little makeup bags that I'm cleaning right now, they're actually from a makeup kit that I haven't used in a long time. So I am going through some stuff, and you guys could see this lipstick. Look how nasty that is. I haven't checked this makeup bag in a long time, and I didn't even realize that I had the lipstick in there. It has, I'm pretty sure that's mold, or I don't know what it is, but it was so nasty, so I threw it away. So now all my drawers are filled with makeup. I honestly don't even have that much makeup. I have a lot of junk, as you guys could see in this drawer. This is just, I mean, I do have brushes and some makeup items, but I have this brush in there. I got it, I think it's from The Little Mermaid. I got that a long time ago. I have a lot of empty containers from MAC because if you guys didn't know, you could take those containers, I believe it's up to 5, and then you get a free lipstick. And then I found my Mia palette. This one is so special to me. I don't use it anymore because it's really old and probably it's not good to use it anymore. Sorry, my dog is in the background playing with her toy. But anyways, this one on my Mia palette has Anastasia Beverly Hills signature because I did met her back in the day and she signed that palette for me. So I'm just finding a lot of items that I forgot about. And then I had these little rubber bands and I just threw them everywhere in the floor, so now I have to clean that. So this drawer is just for jewelry. I'm gonna switch it to the bottom. So I'm gonna be putting things like one drawer down, because I want to have the second drawer for all my equipment or cables that are for filming. Now this drawer, I have never shared it with you guys, but this is such a fun drawer for me. I like to collect limited edition items, makeup, and I keep all the packaging. And I like to organize it like this. It just looks so pretty because all the packaging, they have different color, different textures, and they just look so beautiful. Actually, the makeup is not in the packages, but I just love to collect packaging. I don't know if am I the only one that does that, or am I weird for doing that? So finally, I'm just gonna finish cleaning everything that I have around my filming area. I'm gonna start with my shelves. And then moving on, I'm gonna clean everything that is around. I have a mess, just get rid of all the stuff. So this is the after. It looks so much better. It's so clean. Everything is organized. Everything is where it's supposed to be. I like setting up my lights like this at this moment. And it just looks more open, the space, because it has so much stuff. That now that I got rid of everything I don't need to have in that space, it looks more open. And my desk is all clear. See how long it'll take for my desk to keep on being this clean. Because I know once I do my makeup, it's going to be a mess again. But these are the drawers. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit. If you guys want me to go in detail of how I organize my makeup, which I did kind of explain during this video. Like I mentioned, I don't have that much makeup. But if you guys want me to do a separate video just going through my drawers and everything that I have there, let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.